Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cut an avocado because I think a lot of people are intimidated by this when they see it. They love the taste, but they're not really sure what to do with it. And it's something that you should learn, and it's super easy because the food is delicious and really good for you and really versatile. You can use it in a lot of different ways. So, the first thing I want to point out is that when you find an avocado in the store, you want it to be this kind of dark color, not bright green or it won't be ripe. And then when you pull the little plug out of the end, if you get this nice yellow on the inside, that means that it's ripe on the inside and not overdone and squishy and gross. If it's a darker color like this, you want to stay away from it because it probably means it's a little overripe on the inside. So you just want to cut around the outside. Don't go all the way through, just sort of loose enough to split it. Then you split it open, and then I'm going to get a bigger knife for this part. You want to take your knife and kind of chop it into the pit, spin it, and it comes right out. So that's the easy part, and then you just want to hold it like this and make little slices with the tip of your knife. Go down the middle, and then take a spoon, and you can scoop it right out. So you have little slices of avocado. You can throw it on your salad, you can put it in a bowl and smash it up and make guacamole with it, or you can be like me and just cover it with some salt and eat it right out of your avocado skin.